Mini Bonsai, the art of shrinking nature in confined spaces. Greetings to all viewers and friends. In recent years, as urbanization has accelerated and global integration intensified, a remarkable trend has emerged amidst the bustling pace of city life and the compactness of urban apartments. Mini Bonsai has proven that small can radiate greatness. And this radiance does not remain confined to the city alone. Mini Bonsai is opening a promising path for international commerce. Its compact size, ease of care, and simple packaging and transportation make these delicate creations ideal for trade. Easy to move, easy to sell, easy to commercialize. Young Vietnamese artisans are beginning to seize this opportunity. With just a clean tree, a graceful shape, and a reasonable price, they can bring Mini Bonsai to international e-commerce platforms or social media channels, reaching discerning collectors in Japan, South Korea, and Europe. Places where refinement, compactness, and the mark of human craftsmanship are deeply cherished. With Mini Bonsai, Vietnamese horticultural art is no longer confined to local appreciation. It is gradually evolving into a soft export product, carrying the dedication, culture, and creativity of Vietnam, and bringing the Vietnamese brand to the world. Reality has proven that, amidst the rigid concrete of the city, where every square meter is precious, many once believed that the art of bonsai, traditionally associated with expansive gardens and ancient trees, would fade away. Yet a remarkable phenomenon has arrived. Even in apartments just a few dozen square meters on narrow balconies or in enclosed office spaces, a quiet green world begins to flourish. Small enough to fit in the palm of your hand, yet powerful enough to illuminate an entire corner of peace. This is Mini Bonsai, the art of shrinking nature, becoming the breath of green in urban life. When space shrinks, refined taste expands. Urban bonsai enthusiasts do not necessarily seek grandeur. They crave refinement, tranquility, and balance in small things. A beautiful mini bonsai compresses the soul of an ancient tree, a trunk aged with grace, roots full of strength, branches delicate yet lively, an unmistakable aura despite its tiny stature. A corner of a desk, a sunlit windowsill, or a bookshelf ledge is enough to host a miniature landscape or a tiny forest. As collections grow, urban collectors often move their trees to rooftop terraces, where the wind blows freer than on the streets below. There, they enjoy the bonsai, socialize, and even combine cultivation with commerce, creating hanging gardens above the city skyline. Number 2, the trend reaching rural areas, a full circle. Interestingly, despite the ample space in rural areas, Bonsai Mini has gained strong popularity over the past decade. The reasons are clear: rising market demand, faster cultivation, reasonable costs, easy to sell, trade, and transport. This has created a closed loop in Vietnam's horticultural market. From urban centers, spreading to rural areas, returning to the cities, and now reaching the international market. Today, exhibitions across Vietnam always reserve special spaces for exquisite mini bonsai. 3. Diverse styles. The soul of Vietnamese mini bonsai. Mini bonsai in Vietnam today exhibits a wide variety of styles, reflecting the creativity and skill of Vietnamese artisans. Ancient street-style bonsai, moss-covered, solemn, evoking the charm of old streets. Hoàng Lê Minh style, graceful, flowing, ethereal, delicate. Trailing branch style, branches stretching long and smooth, swaying as if in the wind. Coral-like canopy style, small, delicate, layered like coral reefs beneath the ocean. Miniature classical tree forms, classical elegance, compacted yet imbued with a soulful human touch, and many other unique styles continue to flourish. Number 4, why the young generation loves mini bonsai. Mini bonsai resonates with what the young seek: a connection to nature, a quiet space for the soul, a small yet beautiful element to enrich daily life. They are not drawn to grandeur. They are drawn to a gentle green spot where their hearts can pause and their spirits can find calm. Conclusion: great beauty in small things. In the fast pace of city life, mini bonsai appears as a gentle equilibrium, a tiny rooftop corner, a sun-drenched balcony, a small tree, yet when we look at it, we feel a sky far wider than its space. Mini bonsai is not just a tree. It is a way for people to preserve a piece of nature, a touch of romance, and a fragment of tranquility amidst the chaos of everyday life. This concludes today's episode from Beautiful Bonsai. We look forward to seeing you again in our next program.
you.